What's up guys, another episode of Tuned Engines, and on today's episode we're going to be painting the 71 C10s from Bumper because it's ugly. Alright guys, unfortunately whenever I was going to edit my video, like the files got corrupted. Oh no, so like I have like really small like clips of like when I was recording with my phone, but still long enough to do like a really short video. But anyway guys, let's get into the video of painting the 1971 C10s from Bumper. Alright guys, so before we start we're gonna go ahead and go to Home Depot. If we can go get some spray paint, sandpaper, we're gonna get some 80 grit all the way up to 250, and then some freaking 3 or 2000 so we can get a good finish. But yeah guys, so let's go ahead and head over to Home Depot. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the front bumper right here and it looks so freaking ugly, but the first step is we gotta go ahead and take it off. Alright guys, so basically we're gonna go ahead and take off this bolt right here, this one on top right there, the one on the side over there, then the same for this side, one and another one. So in total of 6 bolts. So now we're gonna go ahead and take off all of them. Alright guys, so right here you can see the front bumper. Unfortunately, this is like the footage I lost of me sanding it down, but as you can see, we gotta sand it down all the way. And right now I'm just going ahead and feeling for any high spots and low spots so I can go ahead and sand it down. And I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down with some 2000 grit sandpaper so I can get a really good finish, and you won't see any of like the imperfections once I put the coat of spray paint. And also I went ahead and put some clear coat on top of that as well. Alright guys, as you can see, we're able to put the front bumper on and it looks so freaking cool. We did a good job freaking painting it and everything. There's also some like small like nicks and small stuff, but like that's just stuff I couldn't fix. And also I wasn't trying to fix. I didn't like spend a lot of money fixing this right now. It was just like a test fit. But yeah, I think we did a pretty good job for the way it came out. It's gonna make the truck look way more cooler now, and also give it a little bit more character, if you know what I mean. But yeah guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And also don't forget to follow my TikTok and Instagram, description down below, so y'all can see a bunch of short videos and all that, because I'm always posting like short videos. But yeah guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.